Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Microsoft 365 Admin Center for privacy settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. This URL is admin.microsoft.com. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, you will see a sign-in screen. Enter your admin email address associated with your Microsoft 365 account. Click on the Next button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your password. Type your password carefully in the provided field. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, follow the on-screen instructions to complete that process. After successful authentication, you will be redirected to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center dashboard. On the left-hand side, find the section labeled Users. Click on Users to expand the menu. Then click on Active Users. This will display a list of all active users in your organization. To adjust privacy settings, select the user you wish to modify. Click on the user's name to open their settings. On the User Details page, look for the Mail section. Find the option labeled Privacy Settings. Here, you can manage various privacy settings for the selected user. After making necessary adjustments, scroll down to save your changes. Once saved, review to ensure that the settings reflect your preferences. To exit, you can navigate back to the dashboard or simply close the browser tab. Remember, changes to privacy settings may take some time to propagate across the system. Congratulations, you've successfully logged into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center and adjusted your privacy settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.